Vape versus brake cleaner versus Ventus. That's our fabricated leak, okay? So you guys were saying to blow into it backwards. The vape shuts off after like 10 seconds. Okay, we got smoke. Well, it works. I ended up just blowing into the glove because this thing does not put out enough pressure. Takes longer than I thought, a little bit over 2 minutes, but it would be really difficult to plumb an entire exhaust using this method. Next up, brake cleaner. We're looking for a change in RPM when we spray the area. That didn't really work. Now the Ventus. And it comes with these adapters. Start the timer. We got smoke showing, boys. I gotta say, the Ventus was the fastest, the easiest, and the most professional. Now, it's not cheaper than a vape or a can of brake cleaner, but if price is what you're after, check out the Economy Series, the Shop Series, or the Shop Series Plus with a built-in compressor. Now, the Ventus is the champ, but the vape did get the job done. Honestly, the Ventus smells better than this white gummy vape, and I trust the vaporized mineral oil blend in here going in my engine way more than I do the mystery fluid that's in this vape. And it's got a lifetime warranty.